By now, you're aware of how to create a message in your Canvas environment. But the question is, how can you edit your previously made messages? You can actually do this in the dashboard, but you can also edit messages from the inline editor using the content library. Simply click on the inline editor and select the yellow button in the middle. Here, you have access to all your institution's previous messages, support articles, and monitors. When you click on a particular message, you can actually edit the title, the body of that message, the audience that it shows to, the first and last active day, as well as the size, the notes, and whether or not you're going to collect any feedback. Please make sure, though, if you make any changes to your message, that you click Save at the bottom of the panel.